Man, another red day for Palantir stock so far. We're down another 3% right now. We're at $87 per share, guys. And listen to this. We hit 85 bucks earlier. That was about, an hour ago. I'm currently filming this at about 1 p.m. And yeah, that was at about 11:30, 12 p.m. on the East Coast. Now we're rallying a bit off that low, but still, guys, we're getting hit, and we have to break down the charts, go over my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. So hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you guys want to help out the channel and get yourselves 30 free stocks, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So like I said, another red day, not only for Palantir as it's down 3%, but for the entire stock market. Although stocks are bouncing back a little bit right now intraday like Palantir is, it's still rough out there. Let me show you guys quickly what we're looking like. SPY hit 589 this morning, and now we're rallying a good $5 off that low, which is good, but we're still down 0.5% on SPY, 0.5% here in the red, and QQQ's down 1% as it is rallying a good chunk off the lows. I think earlier, guys, it was down like 1.5%. The VIX is up 3.5% now. Earlier, it was up higher. So Palantir, yeah, and the entire market not looking good today, guys. But that is a good time to buy. Well, not for, I guess, Palantir for me. I didn't buy Palantir personally today. Let's get that out there now. But I did buy some other stocks. And the only reason why I didn't buy Palantir, guys, is because I already have a good position at such a low price. For me to add more, I think it's going to have to go under 80. But for now, I'm just holding on. And, you know, it's always great to buy on red days, especially in stocks that maybe you're underweight in or just an overall broad-based market ETFs. I love red days, guys. I really do. So now Palantir is down. It was at one point $40 from all-time highs, and now we're down about 30% from all-time highs. And clearly, this thing is very oversold. Let's get that straight. And we have a crazy death cross here. And the crazy thing is, man, to make things more wild, this drop has only occurred in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 4.5 days, if you're including today. That is insane. That's insane. We've dropped 30% in about 4 trading days. And at this point, guys, we're pretty much right at the level that I talked about, right? We're pretty much there. Do you guys remember I mentioned $80 to $90, this range? I think this is where buyers will start coming in. We're pretty much there now, guys. We're right at that high from the beginning of December all throughout the beginning of this month, being $83 to $85. This is a big spot for the bulls, man. I'm telling you, if we fall through here, we're already well under the 50 SMA. We've been under that, but now we're under the 180 SMA as well on the 4-hour chart. If things start slipping under 83 to 85, where we did get buyers, keep that in mind. We did get buyers to come in there earlier today. That's good. But if we fail through that point, guys, yeah, we might be going even lower in the short term, right? Let me show you some other levels that we could go to potentially if we slip through 83 to 85, which is possible. We could be going down all the way. $70 is a target. I'm looking here. Let's see. $79 is a target. That was resistance on in the middle of December, also early days of this year. So it could start slipping. Let's just say that. If 83 breaks, 85 breaks, first target is $79, $80. If that breaks, we might be filling the gap down towards $70, which, if you guys take a look here, we can see if I zoom in, $70, that was support all throughout December pretty much, right? So that's a big spot we could go to, but let's see. Time will tell. I'm personally, like I said, on the side, not the sidelines right now. I'm in the stock, right? My average cost is $20, $21, but I'm not buying more quite yet. If we fall through $83 though, under 80, that's a different question, or a different story rather. I will be buying more there. And if it gets down to 70, guys, that's where I'm definitely going to be buying more. But I don't know. Is that too far-fetched? I don't think it's necessarily going to get down there, but never say never, man. And this drop in Palantir, man, it shouldn't be. I mean, a lot of you guys probably are not surprised. It shouldn't be a surprise, really. I mean, a stock that's gone up from $20 all the way to $125, it's bound to see sell-offs like this. If you think that a stock that goes up 500% won't draw down 30%, you're nuts. If you think that's not possible, you're nuts. I mean, I've seen this happen time and time again, which is why I took profits, in one of my accounts at 123. That's why I told you guys, look, we could come down to 80, $90 when we were trading at 110, 15, 120. I was saying this, and I was saying it for a reason, because I've seen stocks like this time and time again over the years, and I've studied the charts for years. This stuff is normal. And here we are. We're at 80, $90, and this is where it's the moment of truth, really, for the bulls. If we fail here, it could get uglier, and eventually we will get a rebound. The stock is not going back down to 20, in my opinion. There's no shot. Hey, it could. Who knows? But this is one of those stocks that will get bought up. It's only a matter of time. And like we covered yesterday, there's a couple of different buyer profiles out there right now. You got the swing traders that are probably going to start coming in soon, right? You got the people that have never owned Palantir, that have been just waiting for a dip. They're going to come in soon, in my opinion. They'll start buying it. And you have the long-term investors that have already been in Palantir, like myself, that are going to start buying and dollar cost averaging fairly soon here, whether it's at $70, heck, maybe it goes to 60 somehow, whether it's at $80, people are going to start buying. And I know for sure from people I've talked to, there's people already buying right now, so it's only a matter of time. But in the meantime, guys, volatility's up. We're still getting crushed, right? No really signs of a clean-cut breakout reversal. So we got to keep that in mind. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button on this video. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe as we're on the road to 100,000 subs. Join the email list, which is free. That is linked down below. I send out my top stocks weekly, and get your 30 free stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks using that link down below. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. So if you want 30 stocks, check out the link down below, or go to stocksrfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.